Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam unable to verify email address. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're encountering issues with Steam, being unable to verify your email address, you can try the following steps to resolve the problem. So the first step would be check your email spam or junk folder to see if the verification email from Steam ended up there. Now, ensure that the email address associated with your Steam account is correct. If it's incorrect, update it in your account settings. Sometimes, delays in email delivery can occur. Wait for some time and then retry the verification process. Now, some email providers might have restrictions on receiving emails from certain sources. Check with your email provider to ensure there are no restrictions causing the issue. If the issue persists and you've tried the above steps without success, it's recommended to contact Steam support. They can assist you with account-related issues and provide personalized guidance. To do this, go to Help, then choose Steam Support, then go to Data related to your Steam, then go ahead and scroll all the way down, then hit on Contact Steam Support. Just input the necessary information for the Steam client go back to you and help you to fix the unable to verify email address, and you can provide some screenshots. And once done, go ahead and click on send. And now, if all else fails, you might consider using a different email address to register with Steam. Make sure it's an email address you have access to and can easily verify. Remember to be cautious and avoid using disposable or temporary email addresses, as Steam may have policies against their usage. Always use a valid and secure email address associated with your account. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.